Chewing on the blanket. Quit chewing on the blanket. Whip your foot. Don't bite her. Quit pecking on the blanket. Quit. Poor Molly. Love a Molly. Love Molly girl. Love Molly girl. Oh, he says rub me. Quit chewing on the blanket.
Mr. Opportunity here, and over there is the ever so reliable Accord. And if you're seeing me, it's Honda clearance time.
I said stop it.
Chance to get up close and personal with the car that has the best resale value in its class and the highest owner loyalty. Hey, what can I say? It's a love thing. Speaking of love, your Honda dealer wants to share it. The 2009 Honda Clearance. Just remember,
Don't bite her.
Honda won't last. I'm Mr. Opportunity.
Get up here on her.
And I'm knocking.
You little sickly pig. Come here. It's got to get her ear again. Come here. You're gonna fall. Come here. Get up there on Molly. Oh, pretty girl. Pretty girl, don't get her ear. She says, what the hell? Don't! Don't bite her. Don't! Molly don't even care. Quit biting her. She's gonna bite your butt. You better get off of her now. She's fixing to get mad. She didn't get out.
America's loving every note. Many of your favorite regular footlongs are $5 every day. Cut combo.
Molly, give him kisses.
Molly, get him. Molly, they're gonna bite you.
He must not be biting her hard. He's just... Oh, quit! Give Molly kisses. Give Molly kisses. Say. No, give her kisses. Give Molly kisses. Oh.